Welcome, friends. Welcome to episode 38 of iMarket Me. So, today we are going to talk about the different kind of funnels that you can create. So, this will be a very short episode. I'll be touching the basic points wherein you can create a funnel. I may also give some examples on the particular topic, and I will try to develop and dig deep into the same in my coming episodes. So, what are the different kind of funnels that you can create? So, a funnel with terms of creating a blog piece. So, what I mean by a blog piece is there are two types of blogs that you can create. One is an informational blog and one is a transactional blog. So, in informational blog, you basically share out all the information that you have for a particular product that you want to promote or a service that you're currently providing, which will be, say, funnel as a service at the moment. So, in your previous blogs that you write in, you will now describe the various features of or the various funnels that one can adopt and things like those. And in your transactional blog you can link these blog articles where you have provided all the information to a transactional blog wherein you can actually portray, okay, this is the kind of service that I'm giving. If you like it, then you can just schedule a call with me. That becomes a blogging strategy. You can do the same with your pillar content. You can start devising, okay, this will be my pillar content, and then you can just go backwards and you'll be like, what are the different pillars that you want to link to your pillar content. So this also becomes an effective inter linking strategy for your blog. You can create a product funnel as well. So what happens in a product funnel is, suppose you decide to develop a particular funnel today, I mean, sorry, a particular product today. So in that product, you will have, say, basic features, UI design, the accessibility, how you want to share it out with multiple masses out there. Like Clubhouse is currently doing with only invites, and audio messages is something that it's currently focused on. Then later on, maybe they will also get in the Android users as well once they have that kind of potential or they see that kind of tech developed in them. So that happens to be one wherein you have a product, then you start thinking about how you can get to the masses. So that will be your product marketing or a product funnel. Then you have email funnels wherein you get your email through a landing page or through your blog page, and now you have people coming into your email. So your first email will be, say, something like, hey, well, thanks for subscribing to my blog. Why don't we follow each other on some different social media platforms? Actually, this is a great stage wherein you can ask these people to actually follow you on different social media platforms, because the leads are hot and they will there are good chances that you can actually get more people to follow you on different blogs or different social media channels that you want to land them to. Or even more effective, you can ask them to follow you on a particular podcast if you're creating, or a particular YouTube channel that you're creating. So these are, then you have a content funnel wherein you start deciding upon the kind of content that you want to create that leads to a particular action by the audience. So you will be like, you start off with an information uh, blog, then you give them details about that particular product, let's say, and then at the last moment you ask them to take certain action through a content that you have developed, basically a story that you have developed throughout the blog. So these are like the basic funnels that you can actually create. Then one also important part is the content distribution funnel. So now most of us definitely have content in place, but we don't know how to actually redistribute the content across all social media platforms. So you can definitely loop in your head around this strategy, and then you can just think around, okay, this is the Facebook, like, say for example, LinkedIn right now is doing well for your text content, so you will just focus on text content over there. Facebook is doing something uh, maybe regarding your video. So you may try to put in a video over there. Instagram right now is doing great in reels, so you may want to repurpose your content in terms of reels and post it on Instagram. So that becomes your distribution strategy for your content. So with this, I end today's episode with the little hints that I have given you about what can be expected in your next funnels, when I talk about them in detail, and once I have also experimented with them. So I hope you're liking this particular podcast. I believe you're liking this particular podcast, and I will look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. And until then, see you. Take care. Bye bye.